This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the account you will use. Enable two-step verification so your work stays private. Once done, open Google Gemini Student in Chrome or the mobile app and sign in with your student email. Make sure to accept required permissions for microphone, camera, and storage. This enables rich interactions and file uploads. You want uninterrupted access during sessions, so check browser updates and network stability before moving forward. This prevents permission prompts from interrupting your first tasks. You now create a session and choose the study mode that matches your goal: tutor for explanations, brainstorm for ideas, or summarize for notes. Then upload source files like PDFs, slides, or images. Explicitly label them in the prompt field so Gemini links answers to the right context. Next, set preferences such as response length and citation style, and list focus topics or deadlines. This reduces back and forth and ensures outputs match your assignment format and time constraints. You finish by refining the output. Request stepwise solutions, examples, or a TL/DR to fit your study style. This helps you learn the why, not just the what. Once satisfied, export answers to Google Docs or download them. Organize files in Drive for revision. If the model fails to respond or misinterprets context, retry the prompt with clearer constraints, clear browser cache, confirm permissions, and if needed, contact institutional IT. This single troubleshooting tip saves time and keeps sessions productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.